If you created your quiz in Canvas and you now need a hard copy, one way that you can solve that problem is to go to your quiz, click on the preview button right up here between published and edit. Once you have the preview button available, if I right click, I can choose to print and it will choose to print it to a PDF. And you can see here that it has the quiz printed out. If I want to try to get a little more fancy, I can go to more settings and under custom, most times it's set to default, which is be 100% so it fills the page. But I can see here that like my question 2 has the blank up here, but then you're supposed to fill it in down here. If I change this to custom, I can mess with the percentages. So you can see I went to 89% and now question 2 fits on the first page. It's not split. Now that being said, I can come down and question 4 is still split. So you're going to have to be careful with how you do it, and it may not end up to be perfect because as I change this one to try to fit question 4 on one page, then maybe the other ones will be split. So now question 4 fits, but question 3 is split. Once I have it set the way I want to, I can choose to save it, name it, and now when I go to open, go to my downloads where it's saved, and I go to open it up, you'll see it's now in a PDF form. The questions can be read and answered right here if you would like to. One thing you have to, again, be careful for is the types of questions that you're using. So in this case, I have a matching question, and it's got the options is a drop down that would normally appear. Well, that's not going to appear here. So either by adding a text box on top or handwriting, even if you have to, you could put the matching options here so that the students could then match them up to the proper one. And there are other questions that have drop down that you may need to do this with.